So this is my 2008 BMW E92 M3, and if you know me and you follow my channel, you know I love modding my car. Whether it's wheels, big brake kit, aero, full exhaust, a tune, whatever the case may be, I love modding my cars. But there are just some mods that are so easy to do, anyone can do it, whether it's from an 18-year-old M3 to a brand new X7 2025, even to a high performance G80 M3. Any one of these cars, you can do this mod. And the reason I say it's so easy and anyone can do it is because it's true. And what we're talking about today are door puddle lights from Open Throttle. If you saw my previous video I did a little while back on my G80 M3, you know that I installed these and actually replaced my M Performance ones that were even above stock that I bought about a year and a half ago. I replaced those, which were good, with the Open Throttle ones. And as you can see right now, they look incredible. So lucky for me, they do make them for the E92 M3, and the guys at Open Throttle sent me a set out so I could showcase to you guys, show you how easy it is to install and what a difference it makes. So let's jump into it. So quick refresh, what is a puddle light? Well, when you drive up somewhere and there's a puddle, you open your door, the light shines down on the puddle. Now, if you're like me, you don't drive into park anywhere where there's puddles, but this has been on cars for decades and will continue to do so. It's more of a courtesy, luxury that cars do, but me, and it's just a standard light. Now, I have upgraded mine to bright white LEDs. The factory ones were the dull, dim, old yellow ones, which did nothing. So all of my lights in my car are the new bright white LEDs. Even the trunk, everything is white LED. So that being said, it is bright and it does look nice and it does shine on the ground. But what if I could have a cool M3 logo that dropped down subtle in a way that, you know, at nighttime you see it and it's not too big and flashy, but it's also a nice, clean, sharp OEM Plus image that shines on the ground that is really, really nice. So let me show you how easy that is to install right now. Okay, first things first, whenever you get under the car, so I would say to go from the front or the rear, but it's different on every car. And even on the G80 M3, if you watch that video, the front and rear doors, you had to open from different sides. So what I'll tell you is that if you look, if I can get it to focus. Okay, camera does not want to focus. If you look right here, and you can kind of feel with your finger, if you can't see from the camera, don't worry about it. I'll just tell you, there's a small indentation right here, which almost looks like it's designed to have something like a small screwdriver or this to fit there. The back side is smooth. That's how you're gonna know which side to open from. And you're just gonna pry up nice and easy. You're gonna pop this down, and then it's gonna pop right out. Pull this down, unplug the wire connector, and you're good to go. So here is the factory door light. As you can tell, it's a basic door light. Mine has been upgraded to LED light, but yours will look the same. So again, big shout out to the guys at Open Throttle for sending these out to me. As you can tell, same with the G80, the fit and finish and factory design looks phenomenal. And the fit is oddly satisfying. When these slide up in there, it has a nice tactile click and it sits nice and flush. Doesn't wiggle around. It feels like it's supposed to be there. So again, really, really good quality on the frame itself. And of course the projector, you guys will see in a second how crisp and clear that is. It cannot be any easier. Again guys, here's the factory plug. You can see the design and style of that plug paired with the one from Open Throttle. It's literally identical. The pins fit right in there, and then it slides up in there. So again, your main difference is you have a light which shines more like a spread design, and then you have a projector which is a specific logo that is shining down. So when you go on Open Throttle's website to grab yours, you will type in your specific vehicle, make, model, year, all that good stuff, and you'll have the option to pick, for example, M3 or M3 competition, M4, M4 competition, and so forth, and for different manufacturers as well. If you have an Audi, Mercedes, they have multiple you can choose from, but mine are BMW specific. So just make sure you double check on which ones you're buying, and if you have any questions, ask the guys at Open Throttle. They are super easy to work with, very responsive, and the whole experience with them so far has been great. And again, this is my second car I'm doing these on, and all my BMWs moving forward will have these because they're easy to do. Takes 5 minutes to do it from start to finish, and it really gives the car a cool differentiation, a cool touch, and I think it's really, really nice. Same way as installing these, putting these back in could not be any easier. You're gonna take your wire. You can only go in one way because there is a tab right here, so you can't mess it up. Just don't force it. If you're forcing it, it doesn't go in. Flip it around, just use common sense. And once you plug this in, make sure it's secured. And once you feel that tactile click, you know you are good to go. And then when reinstalling, make sure your wires are up in there so you don't have any crimping of the wires. Put the rear first, or the wire side first. Fold it up like this, clip it in place, and you are good to go. It's literally that easy. Look, and you can already tell, you can see the outline on the ground. Now mind you, my garage doors are open. My LED lights are on for the ceiling. It's super bright in here, and it's not even on a smooth surface, and you can still see the outline. So that is really, really impressive. Check out this B-roll, and then we'll get back to it. So as you guys can see, really, really easy to install, and at nighttime in the dark, it looks really, really cool. And I think it's one of those upgrades that, I've said it before, probably should have come on the car. It's M3, it's the M3 logo. This is an M3. I get it, the Puddle light's cool, but if you're like me and you don't really care about that light, it doesn't do you any good. This is awesome, and I will be putting these on all my BMWs moving forward because they're that good, and the quality is OEM plus. If the image wasn't that good, I probably wouldn't use them, and I wouldn't be recommending them to you guys. But as you can see, that's just, there's no editing. That's just pure Projector, crisp 4K lighting shining down on the ground every time you open their car door. It's one of those small mods. It kind of just makes you put a smile on your face every time that you get in and out of your car. And to me, those are worth it. Big brake kits, cool wheels, exhaust, yeah, awesome as well. But sometimes the small mods are the funnest ones. So again, guys, thank you for watching. I'll have the links below in the description for all of Open Throttle's website, Instagram, and everything. Go check yours out, pick some up for yourself. If you have any questions, reach out to those guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Keep driving your legacy. See you guys.